Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Dominion for Real. Alright, in this channel we talk about airdrop, we talk about cryptocurrency, we talk about legit way on how to make money online. Alright, if today is your first day of coming across to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update like this. Okay, in this video I'm going to share a very important update with you about ECOX Network. Are you mining this project or are you farming this project? There is a pre-sale currently going on at the rate of 0.08 cents, right, in this project. Remember, this is not a listing price, all right? This is OTC, over the counter price, all right? So if you are participating in this, or if you are having intention to participate, make sure you also consider the risk. Okay, so in their Telegram channel, you can see they said investors are still buying ECX. Remember, ECX is their native token. All right, so ECX at 0.08 USDT. Despite strong market demand, investors continue buying ECX at 0.08 USD until the target amount is fully reached. Okay, so here they said buy price 0.08 per ECX, mine trade 20 ECX, payment USDT BEP 20, fast, safe, verified transactions. Then they put a contact here, email address where you can contact, and the Telegram channel where you can also contact. But to me, this is not okay by me, because if you are currently doing a pre-sale, you shouldn't put any email of any individual in your channel. All right, so I think, well, maybe it's okay by them, but for me, I see this as a red flag. All right, I see it as a red flag. Okay, so let's proceed. So important, buying may stop at any. Okay, buying may stop at any given time once the target amount is reached. Okay, so there is a wallet connection also in the ECOX mining app. So in this video, I'm also going to show you how to connect your wallet to the ECOX mining app. All right, so let's go to the app. Okay, here in their mining app, remember to claim your green points. We are actually mining a green point, which will also be converted to the ECX. All right, so for us to connect our wallet, we come over to this place, we tap on it, then we tap on wallets. So after tapping on wallets, we'll see connect wallet here. Just tap on it, and then in this video, let's connect MetaMask. All right, let's connect MetaMask wallet, this one. So we just tap on MetaMask and we wait. Okay, please, if you are connecting your wallet, please make sure you are not connecting the wallet you store your cryptocurrency with. Okay, because nothing is 100% guarantee. All right, anything can happen at any time. Please do not use your main wallet for this. I know why I'm saying this, because people have lost a lot of funds in some project like this. So if you are connecting your wallet, make sure you create a fresh wallet, or you are using a wallet which you don't have any asset in, please, to avoid losing your funds, please. Okay, so we're just gonna click on connect, permissions updated. So we are just going to wait, and then we click on sign here. Going to click on MetaMask, and then we are going to wait a little bit. Okay, we click on confirm. All right, so we click on confirm and we wait. Okay, as you can see, my wallet has been linked to the ECOX app. I link my MetaMask wallet. You can use OKX wallet, it is still the same procedure. All right, so remember, do not use the wallet you store your cryptocurrency with. Please create a fresh wallet for this. I know why I'm saying this, okay, so that you will not end up losing funds, because linking your wallet, you are giving them, permission over some certain things in your wallet. So that is why we are using the wallet we are not storing our cryptocurrency asset with. Please. All right, so please, that's all for this video. All right, so turn on the bell notification, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment in the comment section. See you in the next video.